which are going to be the brands who are going to win the awards, because then you kind of know which ones you should kind of like try out. So yeah, and I'm really excited to just be here and see that, because I love everything that has to do with beauty. Sorry? Favorite designer? Well, I love Manish Malhotra. Yes. I think it's very smart. Sorry? This is Archana Kochar. Yeah. You like it? You like it?
Yeah, left corner, the left corner. The left corner.
Oh.
Left corner, left corner. The left corner, please. Silence here.
You can ask me who the nominees are. No, I'm not going to know.
No, I'm just going to ask you your favorite beauty brand.
My favorite beauty brand? Well, when I was growing up, it used to be Body Shop. I still use it in Body Shop products. Do I have one single favorite beauty brand? Something happened. No? Something happened on TV.
Yeah. No, just say the ladder. Your favorite.
I don't have one single favorite beauty brand.
Okay, tell me what lipstick you're wearing.
Wearing 2000 pieces. This is a lipstick that stays really long.
Thank you so much.
मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम अटेंड कर रही हूँ ये अवार्ड्स। बहुत सारी खूबसूरती देखने मिलेगी और ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स है, तो आई एम प्री श्योर कि बहुत सारे लोग जो ब्यूटी से एसोसिएटेड होते हैं उनको अवार्ड्स दिए जाएंगे। पीपल हु रियली आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर हाउ वी लुक, so it's a great thing and I'm pretty excited to be here. Like, it's for the first time, so yeah, I'm very excited. Yes, I'm not a regular reader of Femina magazine, but I do, like, on my flights I read a lot of magazines, and Femina is one magazine which really connects you to the industry which I am connected to, and it gives a lot of different tips on relationships, plus women, men, a lot of things. देखिए, हमारी जो जनरेशन है तभी की अभी की जो भी है वो एवोल्यूशन पे डिपेंड करती है और वही चलते आ रहा है. लाइक वी आर जस्ट getting better and better with the time, and let's not compare yesteryear actresses. They were like, they are legends, so we are nowhere close to where they were or what they are. So we are just trying to be what they are, and like in our own way, maybe 10%. But no, I don't think वो legends है, उनको कोई touch नहीं कर सकता. I mean, ये तो एक रिलीजियस वाली बात हो गई. रिलीजन के ऊपर बहुत सारे लोगों की मानो तो बहुत कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ नहीं है. इसलिए कुछ लोग होते हैं जो अपने रिलीजन को पूरी तरह से फॉलो करते हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि जो उनकी जो कौम हो वो भी उसी को फॉलो करते हैं. पर एज आई सेड, मानो तो सब कुछ है, ना मानो तो कुछ भी नहीं है. आई मीन, धर्म और रिलीजन की बात की जाए तो सबसे बड़ा धर्म जो है वो इंसानियत का है और उसको ही फॉलो कर ले तो बहुत बड़ी बात है।
Thank you. I'm wearing Dolly J and Jet Gems. So very excited to be here. It's the first time that I'm coming for the awards, the beauty awards. And in a way because I feel like my journey started with Femina Miss India, so I'm happy to be here. Designer in Bollywood? I mean, depends. I think Sabyasachi and Manish Malhotra and Gaurav Gupta, Shantanu Nikhil, I love their work. Not yet, but I will make an Hindi announcement soon. But till then, I'm doing a Telugu film with Allu Arjun. Yeah. हेलो।
मैम क्या कहेंगे फेमिना ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के बारे में?
इस बार मैं जज के हैसियत से आई हूँ और पूरा प्रोसेस के बहुत ही रिगरस प्रोसेस रहा चूजिंग में और सिलेक्शन में।
और एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट्स को सिलेक्ट करने के बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स पे अपने हाथ भी मारे तो आई स्टोल क्वाइट अ फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स so I really enjoyed it. I think it's a fun process and it's going to be fun watching this.
मैम जब किसी इंडिविजुअल को ब्यूटीफुल कंसीडर करती है तो क्या क्वालिटीज देखती हैं आप या मेल ब्यूटीफुल बेसिकली फीमेल ही होती है तो क्या क्वालिटीज कंसीडर करती हैं?
आई थिंक मेरे लिए अंदरूनी खूबसूरती ज़्यादा मायने रखता है एंड ब्यूटी ट्रूली इज स्किन डीप एंड आई रियली बिलीव इन दैट बट आई थिंक अब हम कलयुग में रह रहे हैं तो आई वुड बी वेरी स्टूपिड जिससे ओ अंदर से बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है अब बाहर से अगर ख़राब लग रही है तो अभी हम क्या करें तो उसे और खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए एंड आई थिंक टू मेक आवर लाइव्स मोर सिंपलर एंड ईजियर क्योंकि बहुत पोल्यूशन है हम आमतौर पे वी आर नॉट लिविंग द लाइव्स दैट वी शुड बी लिविंग हम हिमालयस पर तो रह नहीं रहे हैं और मतलब स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइव्स तो जी नहीं रहे हैं तो वी हैव टू ऑब्वियसली प्रिजर्व आवर स्किन एंड प्रिजर्व मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे पता नहीं वी नीड टू लाइक ममीफाई आवर स्किन बट नो वी ऑब्वियसली हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर स्किन एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स टुडे दैट रियली हेल्प अस लुक बेटर यू नो improvise the dark circles, take away the puffiness. There are anti-aging creams. But even saying that, I think less is more. You should not overdo it.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम काफ़ी सारी अदाकारें हैं हीना कुमारी नॉन पीपल क्या कहते हैं कि पहले जो अदाकारी थी दे हैव अ नेचुरल ब्यूटी व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू टुडे
Definitely, and I just think that even today there are a lot of people who are naturally beautiful, and some are conventionally beautiful. Some are beautiful because their personalities are beautiful. So I think beauty truly is also something that varies from person to person. कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है मेरा कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है इस फेमिना ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के साथ उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है तो मैं कोई आंसर दे दूँगी जी बेस्ट ड्रेस्ड एक्टर इन बॉलीवुड बहुत सारे हैं यार आजकल तो आई थिंक मोर देन द एक्टर्स इट्स द स्टाइलिस्ट दैट शुड बी गेटिंग क्रेडिट्स because I think they also put in a lot of effort, so it would be very unfair on my part to just select one or two. But I think style for me is something that is innate. It's not something that comes with clothes. So there are a lot of beautiful people out there. Rekha ji, there's Deepika. I think they really carry themselves very beautifully. Thank you. Nice. Chalo.
Ready? And let's go.
Yes. How are you?
मैम ये कहने लगा बढ़ते हैं आप जी खूबसूरत हैं तो क्या मायने क्या रखती है खूबसूरती आपके लिए?
खूबसूरती किसके लिए मायने नहीं रखती है? खूबसूरती सबके लिए मायने रखती है. आई थिंक एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बी ब्यूटीफुल एंड एवरीवन इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. वी आर ऑल ब्लेस्ड इन डिफरेंट वेज. सो मेरे लिए बाहरी खूबसूरती के साथ साथ अंदरूनी खूबसूरती भी मायने रखती है. लगता नहीं है आपको? जी बिल्कुल मदद करता है. जब आप अंदर से पीसफुल हैं, खुश हैं, तो वो बाहर नज़र आता है. वेल हमारा कल सीज़न फिनाले है. माया का फर्स्ट सीज़न एंड हो रहा है, तो आई एम अ लिटिल सैड, लिटिल what do you say? There's so many emotions, but I just want to thank everybody for loving the series like anything and boosting our confidence and liking my work. Thank you.
I think मेरे लिए definitely बहुत मायने रखती है. I am someone who loves cosmetics, so you know when something like this comes up, I really feel very nice because I'm always excited to try new things, to know what's in the market too, because we keep going to the red carpets and we want to try different and new looks. So I think that's the reason I'm really happy to be a part of this, to know who all are winning. Of course, I think हर किसी को अच्छी फीलिंग आती है if people compliment you, और अगर अच्छा compliment हो तो definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I feel nice, yeah. Well, definitely something in pipeline, but I will tell you soon, maybe not in Hindi language, but yeah. Thank you.
फोटो बाकी यहाँ पे नहीं लेफ्ट कॉर्नर
Well, you know, one of the first magazines I ever shot for when I first came to India was Femina, and it was one of the biggest moments for me at that time. And it still is. It's still a prestige to be associated with the magazine. They're amazing, you know, and they're like
for every girl across all fields. So it's a great magazine. Real greatness? The real greatness of a woman, I think, is her kindness. That's all. I'm wearing a dress. I have to ask my stylist. Sorry. Hassan Hijazi, Lebanese designer. Lebanese designer.
Okay, Jacqueline, recently heard you are opening a restaurant in Dubai. How cool is that and how did the idea come up?
Well, I actually have a restaurant in Sri Lanka as well, and for me, it's my passion actually is to feed people and also to entertain people. And you know, my best friend actually owns 2 restaurants, so we decided to do a restaurant together. And it's my way of just being able to, I think, like host people and give them food. And I'm quite a foodie myself. So.
And what is the status of Reload?
Huh? Oh, Reload actually has a release date on the 25th of August. We've wrapped up shoot, so we're just waiting now for the film to release. Yeah, I'm actually currently shooting for Drive with Sushant and Tarun Mansukhani, and post that I'll head for Judwa 2 with Varun.
Jacqueline, are you joining Salman?
No, nothing has been confirmed as yet actually, so no word on that. Actually, I think I'm going to be shooting for Drive and Judwa, so I'm not sure if the dates will work. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Left, ma'am, left corner.
Yeah, straight. Yeah, center. Ma'am, center.
Ma'am, yo. Ma'am, left corner, ma'am. Ma'am, yo.
Yeah, down.
Yeah, ma'am. Right.
This is the first time I am attending the Femina Yes. I am a regular reader of the magazine, and I just did a shoot with them, and their editor Sandeepan, who was very sweet. I have to say that their magazine presents real women, real beauty. So I think it's very inspirational for women to see real women.
As you're part of the film industry, how do you think the beauty and talent both matter for getting success, or beauty matters or doesn't talent?
I would like to think that both matter. I would like to believe that. I would like to. I also believe that nowadays everybody looks beautiful because it's very easy to look pretty, and if you don't, there are a lot of ways to make yourself look externally beautiful. But I think at the end of the day, I would like to believe talent plays a very crucial. I'm actually doing a lot of films, but I'm a little superstitious. I feel I should start the film or producer should announce it, like I did with Commando as well. Because when I don't talk about it and they announce it, then the film becomes a very big hit. So I think I should wait. I did a film called Kshanam in Telugu, which is being remade in 5 languages actually. It's been remade in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi.
But I think let the film start, like I said, and I don't want to just say I'm doing this and I'm doing that. Shanam was one of the toughest roles I've done till now, and talent was very much required for that role. So I hope I get more roles like that. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't think we have to all your dress.
Avoidable, I think we should.
I agree. So, maybe could you give us...
Hello.
Hi. Tell me. No, not at all. It's not the first time. It's always beautiful to be here. We have one more opportunity to be our beautiful best, like every other day. And I mean, you don't have much to say and enough to say rather about Femina. Of course, we all know I won't say diamonds are a girl's best friend. Femina is. But yeah. So, and of course, it's really amazing to be here. Nykaa this time is associated with Femina and bringing all of us the beautiful beauty awards, and I'm very excited. It's a beautiful evening. Well, currently I don't have very good news for you, but in due course of time, of course, very soon I will. I'm wearing this beautiful outfit by Sumant Chauhan. You can see. And it's one of my favorite colors. It's a white. I love white. Thank you.
Can you pose for night? Thank you. Can you do a cute boomerang for us? Sure. What should I do? Twirl? Yeah, do you want to twirl? Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, cute. Okay. Hi.
It's the first time I'm coming, yes. But I've always had a great association with Femina, and we worked together many times in the past. So I'm very happy to be here, especially for the Femina team. And looking forward. I think it's a great magazine to keep up with what's going on, in terms of fashion, beauty, lifestyle. It's got like a combination of everything, true stories. So yeah, it's a great read, and I think you guys are bi-monthly. So yeah, that's what makes it even more fun. I guess, I mean, I think talent is more important, but I guess, it's also a combination of all sorts of things, including your personality and, fashion, beauty, personality, talent, all put together, makes the package. Yes, I'm currently working on Lucknow Central, so that's what's keeping me busy. In fact, I'm off to Lucknow in a few days for the last schedule. So yeah, looking forward. Thank you.
Hello.
How did you be Style Awards? How are you participating? Are you getting an award? We hear you're getting an award.
I hope I get an award. I'm very happy to be here. I usually don't like to answer the question before I actually get an award, because if I don't, then you'll ask me this question, आपने तो बोला था award मिल रहा है. So I hope I win an award. I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to participate with Femina. It's a really nice award, and I hope it's going to be a fun evening. Yeah.
Would you like to tell us something about your attire, which you're wearing? Like, who are you wearing today?
So I'm dressed by Anisha. She usually dresses me. She did all my promotions for Rangoon and stuff. So she's dressed me again tonight.
Shahid, I know it's a different question, but we know what happened exactly,
Yeah.
but we don't know the why of it. Like, it was...
That's exactly where I am right now. I am aware that there has been some disruption that has happened. I am aware that a certain amount of costumes have got burnt. I'm aware everybody is safe and nobody's been harmed. I'm aware that the shooting has wrapped up and the team is coming back. What I'm not aware of is who has done it. So I don't really think I can comment on who has done it, and obviously the reaction will depend on that. But it is unfortunate that something like this has happened for the second time. And as soon as I guess there is a little more clarity, one will be able to give a slightly more elaborate comment, and I will also it'll also need to be defined by the production how they want to respond to this. But I'm aware that they're going to be filing an FIR. That's something that I heard and I was told. So I'm guessing something like that will happen. I don't think so. I don't think any of the principal actors were on set.
I want to know why the Bollywood celebrity has targeted all the time, like Assam में जो
Why do you want to know? I want to know this. I am the actor.
मतलब नाहिद आफरीन के साथ जो हुआ
I
है,
have no idea what you're talking about. Sorry.
उसके नाम पे फतवा जो जारी
I don't know what you're talking about.
Shahid, one last question. Shahid, last week I think Meera made an appearance at a event and she said something which was not taken well. Like she said something about working women, it was not taken properly by some of the sections of media and also women. So what is
Well, first of all, I think what Meera spoke, she started the conversation by saying that these are my personal comments. I don't think she made a direct comment in anybody or any category of women, so to say. I think she was talking from a very personal standpoint. And I think Meera is speaking for a section of women who really aren't being represented, you know. There are times where those women feel like they should not be celebrated, or they should not, women, and by that I mean women who might not be doing a job, women who might choose to be at home, have a baby and take care of that baby and consider that something important enough to do. At a certain stage in your life, at a different stage in your life, you might choose to do something else. Like I took 5 months off when I was having Nisha because I felt it was important for me to be with my wife and my child. You know, so that's a choice that you make out of a certain sense of independence. And I think there are very few people who are actually showing any kind of appreciation towards these women. I don't think what a mother does for a child is something that should not be appreciated. They should feel empowered and they should feel self-assured about the fact that they are extremely important and what they do is as important as any other job. I personally feel that I might be today the one who goes to work between me and Meera as husband and wife, but I think what she's doing for Misha is far more important and far more relevant. I really wish I could, but between the two of us, one of us has to go to work, so I happen to be that person. So I think she was speaking from a very positive space. I do understand that everybody has a strong point of view and people can get hurt about things, but I think we're in a time where everybody's getting hurt about everything. So I honestly don't think it makes any sense to try and keep everybody happy. We're also in a time where if anybody who's important or is being given importance says something, a lot of people want to gain importance by saying something against them. So we just live in that kind of a time. I personally went through her entire interview. In fact, I even retweeted it because I felt what she's saying is really relevant. All she's saying is that women should have the right to choose. You want to go to work, men should respect that. You want to stay at home and take care of a child, or you want to stay at home and be a housewife, men should learn to respect housewives as well. Why should only be people who are going and earning money be given respect? There are so many areas which are equally important. I think a home runs only when all those areas are balanced out. And I think that's what she was trying to say. She used the word balance a lot. She always said, I think she spoke about the fact that men and women shouldn't be against each other, they should be working with each other. I think she spoke very clearly about the fact that she has complete respect for people and the choices that they make, but her choice is to stay at home and take care of the baby. So I'm very proud of what she said, and I think she did a great job. And I guess this is what it means to be a celebrity. Now she'll have to get used to a little bit of criticism here and there. She's a strong girl, she takes it with a pinch of salt, so I think she'll be good. Thank you. क्या नहीं मिला मैं क्या नया करूँ
Right by center.